Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and extract compressed zip files using your Chrome browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on these three dots to open the browser's main menu. This menu gives you access to all of Chrome's settings and features. From the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will expand to the side. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can find thousands of useful tools and add-ons to enhance your browsing experience. Now you'll be on the Chrome Web Store page. Look at the top of the page where you'll find a search bar. Click inside this search bar and type Zip Extractor. This is a handy extension that allows you to extract compressed files directly within your browser without needing any separate software installed on your computer. Once the search results appear, locate the Zip Extractor extension and click on it to open its details page. On this page, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Click this button to begin the installation process. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify the installation. Click Add Extension to confirm. The extension will install within a few seconds and will now be available in your browser. With the extension installed, it's time to use it. Navigate to the link or website where you want to download your zip file. This could be a cloud storage service, an email attachment, or any website that hosts downloadable zip files. Once you're on the page, locate the zip file you need and click the download button to start downloading it to your computer. Wait for the download to complete before moving forward. Once the download finishes, look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser again. You'll see an icon that looks like a puzzle piece, which is the extensions icon. Click on it to reveal all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, click on Zip Extractor. This will open a new tab dedicated to the extraction tool. In the new tab, you'll see an interface with various options. Click on the upload icon, which typically looks like a folder or an upward arrow. This will open a file browser window where you can locate files on your computer. Navigate through your folders until you find the zip file you just downloaded. Once you see it, double-click on the file to select and upload it to the extractor. After uploading, the extension will analyze the contents of your zip file and display them on the screen. Now, click the Extract button to begin the extraction process. The tool will decompress all the files contained within the zip archive and make them accessible for you to download or view individually. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and extracted a compressed zip file using nothing but your Chrome browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.